WhatsApp gift cards are a convenient way to send money or gifts through the app. Follow these steps to learn how to use them effectively. Step 1. Access the gift card feature. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat of the person you want to send a gift card to. Tap on the attachment icon, usually a paperclip or plus sign, and select the gift card option from the menu. Step 2. Choose the gift card amount. Once you select the gift card option, you will be prompted to choose the amount you want to send. Select the desired value from the available options or enter a custom amount if allowed. Step 3. Personalize your message. After selecting the amount, you can add a personal message to accompany the gift card. This message can express your wishes or explain the reason for the gift, making it more meaningful. Step 4. Confirm payment method. Before sending the gift card, you may need to confirm your payment method. This could involve linking a bank account, credit card, or using existing balance in your WhatsApp account. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Send the gift card. Once everything is set, review your details and tap the send button. The recipient will receive a notification about the gift card, which they can redeem through their own WhatsApp account. Using WhatsApp gift cards is a straightforward process that can enhance your gifting experience. Enjoy sharing thoughtful gifts with your friends and family.